Jasmycoin price prediction: why is Japan's Bitcoin going up so fast? As buyers cheered for the latest Bitcoin breakout, the price of Jasmycoin kept going up. The coin's value hit a high point of $0.0044 on Thursday. This was its best point since June of this year. From the year's low point, it has gone up by more than 50%. Recent price jumps have also been seen in Mina, Pepe, Gala, and Sway, among others. Bitcoin is the main thing that moves things. One of the main things that helped Jasmy and other altcoins do well was Bitcoin's rise to its best level since May 2022. It went as high as $37,000. Since its low point in September, it has gone up by almost 50%, and since November of last year, it has gone up by 137%. It is now one of the best performing investments this year, thanks to this rise. It was possible for Bitcoin to move above the rising pennant pattern. When you look at price movement, a bullish pennant is one of the best signs in the market. The price is still above the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages, EMAs. The fear and greed measure went up to the greed zone of 74, which meant that Jasmy also went up. In general, buyers' desire to make money makes cryptocurrencies go up. The VIX measure, on the other hand, has dropped to $14.45, its lowest level since September 20th. It has dropped more than 37% since October, when it was at its best point. One of the most well-known indicators in the stock market is the VIX measure. It looks at how the options on the S&P 500 index are set up. Its fall has happened at the same time that American stocks have been going up. In the last 9 days, both the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq 100 have gone up. Investors think this means the Santa Claus rise has begun. Jasmy has also gone up since the latest interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve. The bank agreed at its meeting to keep interest rates at the same level, which is between 5.25% and 5.5%. Analysts think that the Fed will not raise interest rates for a while, even though the bank hinted that it might do so. The price of Jasmycoin has been strongly going up for a few weeks now, as shown by the daily picture. It went from a low of $0.0030 last month to a high of $0.0045. Since May of this year, the coin has moved above the descending trend line that links the biggest swings. Jasmy is now above the exponential moving averages, EMAs, for the last 50 days and the last 25 days. Both the RSI and the stochastic oscillator have moved above the level where prices are considered to be too high. So, the coin's future looks good. The next level to keep an eye on is $0.0051, which was the high point on May 19th. For this to happen, the price of the coin would have to go up by more than 15.81% from where it is now.